What you're about to see in just a few seconds is the money power ritual that I was doing for clients. It's going to be coming up in a second. If you would like to submit your name, please feel free to do so, and I will enter you into Thursday's ritual. A place here is the dollar, which represents the money. We're going to turn it this way, up towards us, so we can make sure that money comes to us, flows to us. We're going to amplify it with the selenite plate, place it right on top, right in the center. The next thing that I'm going to do is take these and place them, they're coins, so the energy knows that I want money to constantly flow my way. In the direction matters. I want to draw the money towards me. That's what I want to do. That's what I'm trying to do for all that have submitted their name to be implemented in this ritual, the money power ritual that I have every Thursday. Okay? And the next thing that I'm going to do is place representation of my feminine clients and my masculine clients. Pentacles is money. The next thing I'm going to do is get the elements involved. And our next step is I'm going to place this here, because the next step I'm going to do, which the names are concealed. I don't want, I value my clients, privacy. I'm going to fold this towards me. Once I get to the bottom, I'll show you guys the direction that I'm folding. I'm folding towards this way, towards me. Always in the inside of my mind, communing with spirit, saying my affirmation and my chants. Okay? The next, we're getting close to the final step. The next step I'm going to do is, okay, I'm going to light these in my direction, always drawing the energy and the money towards me. Light it here. Always repeating my affirmation. I can hear my spirits in my mind, communing, and we're chanting together. Some of my clients, family members, past and ancient elders and things are here with me as well. And we're trying to draw this money in to all of us. So the next and final step is to take it to spirit. So I'll burn all the names, because we want this fast, quick, and in a hurry. Always saying my desires and what we want, what we wish, what we want to draw to us. Again, if you want to submit your name to Thursday's ritual, I'll have them every Thursday. I hold them every Thursday. It's the money power ritual, and you could just submit your name on my website. Information will be in the description.